Hi everybody, my name's Lance from H&HMovers. How's it going? I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer so far. Just want to say, I saw we haven't been doing a lot of videos like we've been really wanting to. We've been working kind of hard, but pretty soon, hopefully we can make some more. Had some really fun times on the 4th of July. The peeps were kind of interesting. They didn't do exactly what I wanted them to do, but you know what? That's how it happens. But if you guys have an idea of what you guys would like to see for next 4th of July, just put a message down below. Let us know what you think. Oh, also, it's also James's birthday a couple of days ago. So if you guys want to say happy birthday to him, you can put that down below too. Alright, so we decided for today, why don't we just show you guys some footage of some fireworks that we set off that night. Alright, well, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm happy. Anyway.